Hello! So today we're going to do something a little bit different. I have some cashews, some raw cashews here that I have been asked to roast off. So I'll gladly oblige. I'll still leave half the bag just in case this doesn't work out, but this should work out. You kind of have to eyeball this. Do a couple teaspoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil. And you want a spatula. I should have had that ready, but I didn't. And some salt, because you want some salt on. You want some salt on these. So you just want to make sure everything is nicely coated. You want to have your oven preheated to 325. Or sorry, 325. And then you want to get your parchment lined cookie sheet. Make sure you get all that oil and salt. You just want to layer them out. And guys, the best part about this is say you want to add some, I don't know, Cajun seasoning or chili spice or honey to make honey roasted. Go ahead. That's what the bonus part about doing it yourself is. You can make them however you want. So I am just going to, okay, there we go. I have them pretty well one single layered. Now I'm going to put these in my oven. I'm going to supervise them. I'm going to watch them. It'll be about 10 to 20 minutes. It'll be somewhere in that ballpark. You don't want them burnt. You just want them nicely roasted. So I'll bring you guys back in just a moment. And there we go. Nice and easy. My oven's finicky, so I did get some burnt ones. As you can probably see, I got a couple of them there. Oh wow. But now I'm just going to put them in this margarine container here to store them. And we've got some healthy snacks that the kids can have, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.